Hello everyone, how are you? Today we are going to start exercise number 1.2. So, first question. There are 5 questions. Question number 1. Express. Question number 1. Express each number as a product of its prime factorization. In last lecture, I explained you fundamental theorem of arithmetic, which says any composite number can be expressed as their prime factor. Order of occurrence of factors is no importance. Okay, we shall factorize given number by using which method? Factor tree method. The first question 140, which is to be expressed as a prime factorization. 140. As the unit digit is 4, we can divide 140 by 2. 270. 140. For the unit digit is 0, can be divided by 2. To divide any number by 2 means we have to do half. 70 half is 35, so 235. Here very easy, 35 comes in the table of 5, 5, 7. Okay, after getting final both the factors prime number, here splitting comes to it. Thus 140 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. Express in the power form. 2 repeats 2 times, so 2 square 5 7. Okay, let's see the second one. 156, very easy. Unit digit 6, divisible by 2. As we divide it by 2 in a rough page, we would get 2 into 78. Again, in 78, 8 is the even number. As it is a even number, it is divisible by 2. As we divide it by 2, 239 is 78. Means we have to do half of 78. But here unit digit is not even, so it cannot be divided by 2. Then we go into next test. Take the sum of digit. 3 plus 9 is 12. Does 12 divisible by 3? Yes. And 39 is also divisible by 3. Did you understand? How many 3s are 39? 3 13s are. Okay. Here both are prime. So our sum come to end over here. Now write thus, comma 156. 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. Okay. Now, third sum. In third sum, figure is little lengthy, 4 digit. Don't bother about it. 3825. First, unit digit is 5, which is not even. So, this number is not divisible by 2. Then we take the sum. 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. Is 18 divisible by 3? Yes, 6 3 ja. Then this entire number is divisible by 3. Let's we divide it in rough page. As we divide in rough page, 3 into 1275. Okay? Suppose you find here 5. So you can also divide it by 5, because according to the theorem, order of the factors is no important. Then finally you would get 3. Again, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 7, 10, 10 plus 5, 50. So this number is divisible by 3. Let's we divide this number by 3. 3 4 ja 12, 3 2 ja 6, 1 is left. So 3 5 ja 15. Otherwise, do this division in rough page. Okay. Now again, we take the sum 4 plus 2, 6 plus 5, 11. 11 is not divisible by 3. as well as 5 is not even. And here is the 5. The unit digit is 5. So this number is divisible by 5. Divided by 5. 5 8 ja 42 is left. Bring down 5. So 25. 5 5. Again it is divisible by 5. How many 5 jayegi? 5 70. Both the numbers are prime. So this splitting comes to end over here. Thus, comma, write number and then write all the factor 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 17. Then 3 2 times, 5 2 times and 17. Okay, you will get 2 marks for this type of sum. Let's we do the fourth sum. Okay. I hope you understand this easy method. Okay. Let's we do fourth sum. 5 0 0 0 5. How handsome this number is. 5 0 0 5. First unit digit is not even, sum of digit does not give the number divisible by 3. So here we find 5. So let's we divide it by 5. As we divide it by 5, 5 here 0 0 1. Now if we divide it by 2, not possible. 3, not possible. 5, not possible. Then try to divide it by 7. Okay, let's we divide it by 7. 7 1 ja 7, 3 is left. 7 4 ja 28, left 2, bring down 1, 7 3 ja. Okay, so we could divide 1001 by 7. So in another box 143 is left. Okay, now this is not divisible by 2. This is not divisible by 3 as the sum is 8. Try to divide it by 7. 7 is not possible because 3 is left. 7 2 ja 14, 3 is left. Then what prime number comes after 7? 11. Let's we try to divide it by 11. 11 1 ja 11, 3 is left. 11 3 ja. Oh bingo, we could divide it by 11. So we divide it by 11. Then left 13. Okay. Now this pair is pair of prime number. Thus 5 0 0, very beautiful number, no? 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. हर एक अलग अलग बिरादरी के मेंबर है. देखो 5 7, नो डिजिट और नो नंबर रिपीट, सारे अलग अलग जाति धर्म के हैं. ओके, लेट्स वी गो इनटू फिफ्थ सम. फिफ्थ सम इज 7 4 2 9. This number is also a heavy number. 7 4 2 9. Let's we split into. You apply different. Unit digit 9 not divisible by 2. Sum 11 15. 15 plus 7 22, which is not divisible by 3. Not divisible by 5. Then you try to divide by 7. We are not able to divide it by 7. If you try dividing by 7, okay, when you divide it by 17, don't forget, this is important sum. You should start dividing by each of prime number starting from 2, 3, 5. They are easy to check with the help of their rules. Then start dividing it by 7, 7 after 11, 11 after 13, 13 after 17. Within 20, you would get the proper portion during the division. Here as we divide it by 17, 17 1 जा 17, 17 2 जा 17 4 जा 68. Okay, 17 3 जा 51. 17 how many जा 7 जा. So 4 3 7. Okay, now we have to divide it by try to divide it by different number. As this number is divisible by 17, what does it mean? Now this number is not divisible by number less than 17. Then which is the number, which is the prime number more than 17? 19. Let's we check dividing by 19. 19 2 जा 38. 13 minus 8 5 0 7 23. Sorry 23. So both are prime numbers. So what we can write thus? 7429 is equal to 17 into 19 into 23. Okay, isn't it important? Very important. Don't forget the sum with IMP mark. You also mark IMP in your textbook and notebook. So here we come to end of first question of exercise 1.2. You understood? Repeatedly practice for question number 3 and 5 of question 1. Okay, bye. We shall meet in next lecture.